Hello everyone, in my video tutorial I will tell you how you can allow any unknown sourced app installation in your device POCO F4. So if in this device POCO F4 you want to you have downloaded any app from any unknown source and you want to install it, you can do this by the methods I will tell you. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now just follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can allow any unknown sourced app in your device. Let's watch it.